Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap on October 17th, morning session price action and the trade that I took on it. And for this trade, today there should have been no trades, at least for myself. And I took a trade today against my own model, against my rules, because I think these past couple of days I've been having like the worst. I've been losing like almost every trade. And so I think I was just super eager to get into a trade. So I got into one which I thought would pan out, but it's not even what I'm used to trading. So let's get into it. I'm going to start on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, I outlined this sell side that I want to see it taken. And it gets taken, I think, in like the first 3 minutes or something. Yeah, in like the first 5 minutes. Creates this first fair value gap after 9:30. And if you see up here, we have these relative equal highs for the buy side liquidity and my draw on liquidity. In the stream, I said that I was bullish and that I didn't want to take any trades going lower. And then I said, and then so price drops, right? Into this like clustering, like there's a new week opening gap here, a new day opening gap here, a new day opening gap right there. So I said, if price wants to go lower, I need to see it go quickly through all these. And it gets through all these in like 5 minutes. So to me, that's like, oh, it's pretty quick. And so I try to take an entry off this order block right here. So if you see, my entry was right there, off that order block, stop loss at the rejection block, and I got stopped out. Now, why I took this trade with relative equal highs up here, and this being my draw on liquidity, this was obviously a problem with patience and not following my model. And I can say that the moment I entered this trade and I started to see price go lower on me, or lower on my trade and nearing my stop loss, like I started to get like actually mad. And that's just a feeling that you should never have during a trade. During a trade, you should have no emotions. And this is how I knew that I made a mistake. And because when I'm in a trade that is the same model that I've seen over and over again go my way, I'm never nervous like that. I'm never mad like. And so clearly this is a lesson. And I think in the future I'm gonna make some videos explaining the only type of models I'm gonna take for now. And that's gonna be the turtle soup, which I feel like I like the turtle soup because I feel like I can get in the first part of the move. If you watched the live stream yesterday, I actually took an L, but then I took an L, but then I took a winning trade with half the leverage after I took the loss. And that was a turtle soup. Anyways, yesterday I had a limit order on the fair value gap that was at the beginning of the run higher, and it never got filled. But those are the type of trades that I like seeing the most because those are like the low risk entries. Like the entry I took today was super high risk. Here's the price starting at 9:30. It's more than 100 handles lower. Wait, might even be 200 handles lower that I took an entry on. So this was just a terrible, terrible trade. I almost basically picked out the low. Awful, awful, awful trade. And yeah, so now for the AM session, I'm only ever going to be trading turtle soup. And for the lunch macro, I'll be trading that reversal strategy that I usually use. And yeah, that's basically what's going to change in my trading. I think I almost basically lost all the profits I made in the first week. I think 2 days, 3 days, maybe something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this. Although I didn't like the trade that I took today, I think I learned a valuable lesson. And I'm happy that at least today I didn't overtrade, because that would have made stuff a lot worse. I didn't revenge trade, didn't overtrade, but I didn't follow my model either. So I'm definitely gonna watch this trade recap I made a couple times, because this is something I really need to get stuck in my head. And I don't think that I will see myself disrespecting my model anymore. I hope I'm not just saying that, but we'll see, I guess. And so, hope this helped. Have a great day and stay safe.